Okay, here's a real quick one, y'all. How do we export a PNG file or any other kind of file that is an image? We are going to start by going up to File, past Save and Save As, and down to Export, over to Export As. And then in the Export As window, we are going to make whatever changes for the file settings that the assignment requires. PNG is what we're going to stick with. You may or may not want transparency. The image size, you might be asked to scale it down. You're going to do that here. All of this is totally fine. Click Export. It is going to export named as the same thing as your PSD. So at the moment, my PSD is called Untitled1. I don't actually want to save a PSD called Untitled1. So I'm going to File Save As and save this as a PSD. Then go back, Export, Export As. Make sure that's a PNG file. I don't want transparency. Now it's going to export as Export Me. I'm going to put it in my Documents folder. And I'm going to click Save. Now if I go to my Documents folder, I have a PNG ping file. You're going to turn this in along with your document.